What's up guys? Panibagong araw, panibagong video naman tayo. Bago pong lahat, mag-intro muna tayo guys. Punta tayo ng plaza guys, dito sa Liloy, Zamboanga del Norte. Dito na tayo guys sa plaza ng Liloy. At ang laki ng mga improvements guys na nagawa kaysa dati. Pakikita ko sa inyo guys ang buong palibot ng plaza guys.
Stars are falling to your head, stars are falling to your lips, soul to soul and hand by hand. We are jumping from that cliff, we are flying like the wind. It was only crazy dream. You whisper you love me in my ear, and now we are jumping from that cliff. Like we are moths on the moon. Bloody let go our love. Nine crazy moths on the moon. You are my heart, you are my moon. Stars are falling to eyelashes. I got sharp legs with my legs. These memories are so delicious. As you surely touch my knees, we are flying like the wind. It was only crazy dream. Then we burst into hot kiss, and now we are flying from that cliff. We are moths on the moon. You bloody let go our love. Crazy moths on the moon. You are my heart, you are my moon.
Ang laki ng pinagbago guys. Gumaganda ng gumaganda guys ang plaza dito guys. Kaya kung taga rito ka guys, ano pa ang hinihintay mo guys? Pasyal na kayo dito guys. Marami nang pumapasyal dito guys. Hindi lang di motor, mayroon tayong di kotse. Ito yan guys. Ito pa sa good guys. Andun po guys. Dati ito, hindi to pinapansin kung nag-joyride ako ng motor. Yan yung banda guys, ginagawa naman. Madumi, madamo pa yan dyan guys. Grabing damo yan noon. Yan ako nag-joyride ng motor. Tapos ngayon, sobra ng daming tao guys na pumapasyal guys. Saka dyan, mayroon ang nagtitinda ng mga pagkain. Tapos dito, ito yung upuan sa gilid. Tapos doon sa bandang gitna, yan. Bawat lamisa may tent na nilagay para umuulan guys, di mababasa yung pumapasyal dito guys. Starring na yung mga pagkaon, diba? Guys, may nagtitinda rin ng mga barbecue dito guys. Mayroon ding pizza. shoutout kay Tibuligar, Yayami Official, GOFW, kay Kulot Bayan, Villa Gracia Vlog, EP Bigas Price Update. Bigas shoutout sa lahat na sumuporta sa aking channel. Maraming salamat.